Did you know your heart is one of the most powerful machines on Earth? Right now, it's beating, silently, tirelessly, pushing life through your body. In just one day, it produces enough energy to drive a truck for 20 miles. That's not poetry, that's physics. So, how can something the size of your fist be that powerful? Let's find out. The human heart is more than just a symbol of love, it's a biological marvel. Every second, it pumps blood, delivers oxygen, and powers every cell in your body. But few of us truly understand just how much work this small organ does, or how it manages to keep us alive without a single break. Your heart is a muscular pump made of 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The right side sends blood to your lungs to collect oxygen, while the left side pumps it out to the rest of your body. Each contraction starts with an electrical impulse, a tiny spark that originates in the sinoatrial node, the heart's natural pacemaker. These impulses travel through your heart like synchronized waves, ensuring that the chambers contract in perfect rhythm. This rhythm, about 100,000 beats a day, moves roughly 7,000 liters or 1,800 gallons of blood through your arteries, veins, and capillaries. If your heart were a mechanical pump, it would move enough fluid to fill an entire swimming pool every week. But where does all that power come from? Each beat is a burst of muscular energy generated by billions of cardiac muscle cells called cardiomyocytes. Unlike other muscles, these cells never fatigue, they have a constant supply of oxygen and energy from mitochondria, the cell's power plants. If we could harness all the mechanical energy your heart produces in a single day, scientists estimate it could power a truck for about 20 miles. That's roughly 2.5 watts of energy output every second, continuously, for your entire life. And yet, the heart does it all without rest, without fail, and without you ever noticing. By the time you're 70 years old, your heart will have beaten about 2.5 billion times. That's more cycles than most car engines will ever manage before breaking down. But your heart doesn't have a mechanic. It maintains itself through blood flow, repair mechanisms, and signals from your nervous system. When your body needs more oxygen, like during exercise, the heart instantly speeds up. When you rest, it slows down. This real-time adaptability is what keeps you alive, through calm, stress, sleep, and excitement. Even more fascinating is how your heart and brain constantly communicate. Through the vagus nerve and hormonal signals, your heart both receives and sends information that influences your emotions and stress levels. Studies show that the heart has its own mini-brain, about 40,000 neurons that help it regulate rhythm and communicate with your nervous system. This means your heart doesn't just respond to emotion, it contributes to it. Ever felt your heart race when you're nervous or skip a beat when you're in love? That's your heart-brain connection in action. To keep this powerhouse healthy, you need to fuel it right. Eat balanced meals, stay active, manage stress, and sleep well. Even small changes, like walking 30 minutes a day, can improve heart function dramatically. Because your heart isn't just keeping you alive, it's generating the rhythm that powers everything you do. So next time you feel that steady beat in your chest, remember, that's not just a pulse. That's a lifelong symphony of muscle, electricity, and pure energy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the human heart, make sure to like, subscribe, and explore more amazing science videos here on Peak State, where science meets curiosity.